side. Black ink bleeding through my skin, marking scars where pain begins. Silent screams in my head reside, drowning slow in the tide. I am the shadow of myself, marking scars where pain begins. Silent screams in my head reside, drowning slow in the tide. I am the shadow of myself, buried deep on a forgotten shelf. Echoes scream, but no one hears. A life consumed by fading years. The clock ticks, the time stands still. Every second another bit